Back to GencastMods, continuing our tutorial. Well, previous tutorial was how to create infinite, how to create, infinite life, infinite health was our previous tutorial. On this tutorial, we're gonna talk about how to create infinite tools, long-lasting tools. And one of the tools that I'm gonna test is this one right here. I forget what it's called, or whatever. Apparently, it's used to remove seeds from certain areas so that you can plant them later on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and see if I can remove some seeds. Every time you use it, okay, it's gonna count as a increment of 1. What this means is that you're gonna have to sum 1 for the next number. Right now, since it's brand new, it starts at 0. So when I use it once, it's gonna count as 1, and so on. It's gonna count as 2, and so on, so on. So let me start using it. Right now is my first try. Let's see. Well, apparently it doesn't work for that. There we go. Okay, right click. I used it once. Now it's always a good idea to do multiple, to do it more than just once before you start searching on cheat engines. So I'm gonna do it 3 times. Yeah, there's the charm. So there we go. I just striked it 3 times. So here I'm gonna go here on cheat engine. I'm gonna go for the new scan. The first scan, with the values as 3. So I should search for my tool right there. Since it's a lot of them, I'm gonna go ahead and keep using it. Just like so. That's 4, and this is 5. And here we go for the next scan. And 5 is there, it reduces it by a significant amount, and now I'm going to use it again. 6, 7. 7 times. And apparently that is the number that we're looking for. If you want to verify that, it should increment when I use it again. And it did, so we got the right value. So once you got that value, as you can see, there's a green bar here in this item. So once you get the value, you just double click on value right here on cheat engine and put in as a value of negative 30,000. Okay, and what this is going to do is it's going to take away that green bar, as you saw, disappeared right here. And at the other end, this value is ridiculously high, and it's not the negative 30,000 that we put in there. Since I assume that you don't care, this is basically simple math or logics. Apparently, he has an if, and he hasn't put another if in the program. I think I'm getting a little too scientific here, but basically, he has a limit, and once that number reaches a certain limit, since it increments every time you use it, the limit might be 20, maybe 50, perhaps, depending on the material, is where the limit stands, and that's what the bar represents. So the closer the bar gets to the limit, that is your maximum usage, and the weapon will eventually break. But if it never passed the limit, then it's never going to break, because it's never going to get there. And we're trying to get there. So putting a ridiculous high amount of number is a good idea. Negative 30 is just because, as an integer value, it didn't want to accept it to be negative. So I guess that's how it reacted. That's how cheat engine reacted. I don't know how to explain it. But basically, you can put that exact number, and it should work as well. And to prove that the weapon or the tool in this case is working as I mentioned, I'm just going to keep using it. And as you can see, the green bar does not increase. And I'm getting seeds, which is pretty interesting. But yeah, as you can see, the green bar does not show up, and I can just keep using it pretty much all day. And the same thing, I did the same thing with the axe, so as you can see, it works very good. No problem there. So, got that. Then I did the same thing with the shovel. You can do it with the shovel as well. So I'm pretty much just holding the button and letting it do its job. So I can just go ahead. No worries. as you can see. And let's say I come across some stone or whatnot. So you can find stone. Well, you know what? I'm pretty sure I'm gonna find stone at the end of this wall here. So it's always stone somewhere. Yep. And here we go. And you see, it's not running out. Sword I can't really show much because the sword mainly used for monsters or creatures. And I really don't have anything on here to kill right now, so yep, nothing there. I can break the boat. And as you can see, none of them's moved. Now, this is a simple short tutorial. Again, what you're going to do is you're going to create a new item. Okay, you create it by using the crafting box. The crafting box is created, in case you didn't know, by using wooden planks. So you place 4 wooden planks over here. You have your little crafting box. But I assume you already know that. Just in case, I'll give you a little quick of the basics. You'll have this crafting table, and just go ahead and place it, and there you can create the specific tool you want. For those of you who still don't have an idea which tools, right here at MinecraftWiki.net, I believe so. Minecraft Wiki, let's see if that's true. Yeah, minecraftwiki.net/wiki/crafting. You can find a list of how to make several different items, weapons, bombs, other stuff, tools, make the bow as well. I believe I haven't used the bow yet so far. I haven't really used it, but you can actually, if it gets worn off, you can actually do the same thing. Trust me on that. You know, all this stuff you'll find here at minecraftwiki.net. Another thing that you want to go ahead, you can just go into my descriptions of the video, and that should give you some more info. But for now, this is the end of the tutorial of how to create infinite tools, or weapons, or whatever you want to call it. The next tutorial is going to be more focused on how to create more than the stack that you have, how to create more items, how to create a specific item that you want. For example, right here, this jack-o'-lantern, I actually created it right now, and I actually, as you can see, it's a value of 138, and the maximum is 64. So just imagine if you have that much items. The signs are the same thing. As you can see, signs are not stackable. In this case, it's stacked because it's glitched. At least I don't recall signs being stackable. I tried to stack them before. But you see that there's one sign, and the truth should be that, yep, there's not one sign. There's a whole bunch, as you can see, that have them stacked up. So there's not just one sign there listed. So that's another thing you're going to see in the next tutorial. And the boat is a non-stacking item, and apparently I turned it into a stacking one. So that's another interesting thing. Okay, exactly. So, yeah, stay tuned. Subscribe if you want to learn some more about Minecraft or modification in general. And I hope this helps you. So, stay tuned on the next one. Thank you.